How to enter the BIOS on an Acer PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into the BIOS on any Acer PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to open the BIOS on your Acer computer. All you need to do is go to where you can restart the laptop. So if you want to, you can do this from the lock screen without logging in. So I'm going to select the start button, then select the power button. But before I select restart, I'm going to hold down the shift key on my laptop. So start holding down the shift key and then select restart. Hold it down the entire time while the computer restarts until the screen is blue. So we're going to reboot the Acer laptop or PC into recovery mode. So keep holding the shift key. Once you see the screen turn blue like this, you can let go of the shift key. And now all we need to do is select troubleshoot, advanced options, and then look for and select UEFI firmware settings. Once it says UEFI firmware settings, go ahead and select restart, and then it will reboot and we'll be in the BIOS. So as you can see, we're now in the BIOS for my Acer laptop. Yours might look slightly different, but if you need to do anything with security or the boot manager, things like that, it's over here in the left side. So you just would select those, and then you could change different things about that, turn on secure boot, things like that. To exit, all we need to do is says exit in the top right. So I'm just going to select F10, and then I can save and exit or exit without saving. I didn't do anything, so I'm going to save without exiting, and I'll discard the changes. And now it will reboot, and I will be able to use my computer. I'll no longer be in the BIOS. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.